I wanted to share a quick tip with you for recoloring fabrics in Textura. What we have here, we have a new feature called Recolor From Swatch. So whether you're going to choose public material or your own collection, for example, and I'm going to search here, I'm in the public material, and I'm going to search here for header fabrics. Header fabrics are quite hard to tile, and therefore once they're ready, I'm looking for a way to recolor them according to the whole collection without the need for retiling each version and recolor. Okay, so now here I'm going to hit edit, color. I can change the colors by RGB or X, but then I need to change each thread, and that could be quite a lot of a big list here down here, or much easier, recolor from scan, upload file. I'm choosing this is a list of pre-made recolor swatches, crops. I just need to upload that, and that's it. Textura gonna recolor my header fabric for me. Happy with the color? Fine. Click Save As. You want to try another swatch? Upload a new one. I'll choose that burgundy, for example. And that's it. I've got the new color variation right here. Once I'm happy with my color correction, I can hit Save As. I'll change the name. I'm going to be extremely creative here. I'll go for burgundy. Okay, I will remove the copy, a description if you want, hit submit. Your new recolor version will be sent to processing now. You will get it in your library once it's ready. So that's it. All I need to do here is press got it. And my new fabric is now in processing. I hope you enjoyed that quick tip, and see you in Textura. Bye!